the IMAX Big Cine Awards 2025. I hope all of you are just as excited as I am for this moment. The IMAX Big Cine Awards are presented annually at the Big Cine Expo in association with IMAX and Theatre World to honor outstanding achievements in design, technology, operations, and big screen innovation within the global cinema exhibition industry. These prestigious awards celebrate and applaud cinema theaters and technology that have not only distinguished themselves in a competitive landscape, but have also elevated the movie-going experience from good to truly exceptional. And now, without further ado, we present to you a special sizzle reel from IMAX, specially put together for the Big Cine Expo.
IMAX is the highest quality imaging format that's ever been devised. It's massive, clear, crisp, bright image.
When you shoot it on IMAX, you just know you're doing something cinematically special. It feels like you're there.
It creates very strong intimacy, but also tremendous scope. If you want to see the full power of Dune, you should see it in IMAX.
The word immersion is everything.
You can take in that environment in a way that you normally wouldn't. It comes down to the difference between watching a frame and experiencing the world. If you're not seeing IMAX, you're not seeing it. I've been all over this world. I ain't never seen no magic. Till now.
Evening, everyone. I have about 5 pages of speech, so thank you for your time and patience. It's amazing to be back at Big Cine Expo. I mean, we've been part of this conference for the last 7 years, so it's always nice and refreshing to come back and meet a lot of our industry colleagues. I was joking, there's no 5 pages, but India's been one of our priority markets for a very long time. In the past few years, we've done a lot of progress. So in 2022, we had about 21 screens, and today, 3 days ago, we actually opened our 35th screen in Mumbai, which sort of gives us a humongous opportunity to grow in this country. We've grown 70% over the last 3 or 4 years. And we've also partnered with some of the amazing cinema chains across the country. So that said, it's just not on the footprints that we are performing well. We've done fairly well on the content side. The the first half of the year has given us over $15 million in box office just on the 35 screens. Movies like Chava and Jawan and Pathan, all of these films have done over $1 million in box office only in India. When we look at the sort of box office growth that we see across IMAX as a format versus the industry is down year to date as of today by about 24%, whereas IMAX box office is up about 60%. So there's great numbers out there, but I think the underlying fact is people are moving out of their homes to come in to watch movies at IMAX. People are well informed. They see a lot of value in coming to an IMAX because the movie makers and the technology that we have support the sort of format. So that said, we are here to stay. We are expanding widely. We've added about 7 local language films this year on the IMAX format, and all of the tentpole movies that you can see in Hollywood continues to be released. A movie like F1 has done about 30% of the country's box office on the opening weekend, just on the 35 IMAX screens in the country. So we're excited about being here in the region, and we continue to grow. We have an aim to be at about between 100 and 150 screens in this country. I can't comment on what pace we grow at, but that's our appetite to be in this region, and we continue to grow. So that said, thank you for your time, and may I now call my dear friend Raghav to join me up here to the awards, please. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're ready to celebrate the innovators, the trailblazers, and the leaders who are shaping the future of cinema in India and around the world. Let's make some noise for the Big Cine Awards 2025. Let's have a huge round of applause, please. One of the most anticipated highlights of the Galilite Presents Big Cine Expo 2025. This is the moments that we've all been waiting for. The Big Cine Award categories are thoughtfully curated to reflect the most relevant and impactful areas of the cinema exhibition industry. Winners are selected by the Theatre World jury based on the results of extensive online polling, which draws wide participation from across the exhibition ecosystem, including valuable insights gathered from various platforms and sources. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it is my proud pleasure to introduce the first Big Cine Award this year, India's top multiplex chain of the year. Well, in this award, no guesses, we've got 2 winners. The first winner is the largest and most premium film exhibitor in India, operates over 1,747 screens across 111 cities, including Asia and Sri Lanka, present in 353 properties, a total aggregate seating capacity of 3.5 lakh seats, and major contribution to the Indian box office, taking home India's top multiplex chain of the year award. Please put your hands together for PVR INOX. May I please invite Mr. Thomas D'Souza, Senior Vice President, Programming, PVR INOX, to join us on stage to receive this award. Congratulations. So, Mr. D'Souza, I request you to please stay back with us. We're not letting you go that easily. It takes a lot to win this award and to be the top multiplex chain in our country. What a proud moment. Can you please tell us a few words? What does it take to get there, to inspire all our friends here today?
Well, I must say it's our audience who has brought us over here. Thank you so much, all our stakeholders, all the industry people, and of course, Big Cine Expo. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to the entire team. Moving on to the second winner under the same category of India's top multiplex chain of the year. This is a well-known Mexican chain and the very first international cinema exhibitor to set foot in Indian grounds. They've revolutionized the cinematic experience with innovative concepts and state-of-the-art facilities. They operate 107 cinemas with 485 screens, present across 41 cities. Please put your hands together for Cinepolis, India. May I please invite Mayank Shroff, Head of Programming, Cinepolis, India, to kindly receive this award. Gentlemen, congratulations to the entire Cinepolis team. I request you to please stay back with us on stage and very quickly share your thoughts on winning this prestigious award today.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Raghav. Thank you, Big Cine Expo. I believe this recognition is truly a reflection of our incredible team, loyal consumer, and all the partners here. So thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations to the entire Cinepolis team. With this, we move on to the next award, which is to the Best Multiplex Theatre of the Year. The winner of this award is India's first ever IMAX theatre, a landmark destination for cinema enthusiasts, the only venue in the country to have showcased all three IMAX formats, IMAX Film to IMAX Digital Xenon and now IMAX Laser. As a part of the cinema chain's ambitious expansion, this property has undergone a remarkable transformation, evolving into a modern entertainment hub that redefines the movie-watching experience in Mumbai, thoughtfully redesigned to blend luxury with cutting-edge technology. Ladies and gentlemen, the Best Multiplex Theatre of the Year award goes to Mirage Cinemas, IMAX, Wadala, Mumbai. May I please invite Mr. Samir Munshi, Vice President, Operations, Mirage Cinemas, to receive this award. So may I please request you to kindly say a few words on winning this prestigious award.
I just want to add one line. I had nothing to do with this.
Thank you. Thank you, IMAX. Thank you, Preetham. Thank you, Big Cine Expo. Way back in 2001, I guess, the first IMAX of the country. It's a nostalgic moment for the entire company to rebuild, revamp, and, convert back again into the most iconic cinema of the country. It's a must-watch and a must-go cinema for everyone. I have been watching most of the movies when I was not associated with the multiplex industry way back, and today receiving this award for the best multiplex cinema IMAX It's a great achievement for the entire team here at Miraaj Cinemas. Thank you once again. Thank you.
In keeping up with the support with Mr. Daniel, I think, sir, you've redefined this experience, which is why you're here on this wonderful platform too. Incredible indeed. With this, we move on to the next awards today here at the Big Cine Awards, which is the best cinema theatre in Tier 2 cities. Now, to our surprise this year, we have the most best cinemas made in Tier 2 cities. And it was a sheer challenge for us as a team to choose. Hence, we have 4 winners in this category. Now, the first winner is a multiplex theatre chain launched by the Highlight Group. This cinema has made a significant entry into Kerala's multiplex industry by introducing the first epic screen in the state, boasting impeccable audiovisual technology with 8 screens to catch every movie patron's interest to its fullest. Please put your hands together for the winner of the Best Cinema Theatre in Tier 2 City Award. Please put your hands together for Palaxi Cinema, Calicut. I would like to invite Mohammad Fawaz, CEO of Highlights Urban, and Shihab M, General Manager of Palaxi Cinemas, to receive this award. Congratulations, gentlemen. May I please request one of you on behalf of Palaxi Cinema to please come forward and share your thoughts and your emotions at this moment on winning this prestigious award.
So thank you first of all. So we are fairly new entrant into this industry. We are not actually from the cinema background. But yeah, when we started cinema, of course, we wanted to do it in a really good way, in the best way possible. We learned about it. And I'm really so proud and thankful that, after 1 year of completion, the second year itself, we were able to get an award. So yeah, so thank you once again.
Congratulations and wishing your team continued success. Thank you. Let's have a huge round of applause for them, please. The next one under the Best Cinema Theatre in Tier 2 City is located at Kanha Centre, Alkapuri, Vadodara, Gujarat. A part of Cinema Brand's national luxuriance series offering premium smart miniplex experiences. This theatre is equipped with all recliner seating, including couple loungers and spacious recliners for superior comfort. They feature the Spectra X screens and a dedicated luxury auditorium model for immersive digital projection and sound. They're operating over 230 screens across 7 states and planning to expand to 15 states and over 200 new screens. Please put your hands together for the winner of the Best Cinema Theatre in Tier 2 City, Complex Cinemas, Alkapuri, Vadodara. May I please invite Mr. Rahul Dhyani and Anish Patel, founders of Complex, to kindly join us on stage to receive this award. Congratulations, sir. I request you to please take a moment to share your thoughts on winning the IMAX Big Cine Award.
Thank you, Raghav. Thank you, IMAX Big Cine Award. And this award actually goes to my incredible and amazing team who designs and bring the drawings into an actual cinema. So congratulations, Rakshanda and Gaurav. This is actually your award, which we are coming and taking it on the screen. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Team Complex. The next winner of the Best Cinema Theatre in Tier 2 city is inside the Sufi city of Karnataka, where lies a Kalaburagi's premier destination for extraordinary cinematic experience. This 4-screen multiplex features state-of-the-art digital projection systems and crystal clear sound technology, offers plush ergonomic seating designed for maximum comfort. They focus on creating unforgettable movie-going experiences which are beyond just watching films, and with a total capacity of 1,320 seats. Here they are today, taking home the Best Cinema Theatre in Tier 2 City Awards. Please put your hands together for Shetty Cinemas, Kalburgi. I request Shri Girija Shankar Shetty and Shri Dhruva Badimi, Managing Director, Shetty Cinemas, to join us on stage to receive this award. Congratulations, gentlemen. Can you please share a few words on winning this prestigious award?
Good evening. Thank you, Big Cine Expo and IMAX for this prestigious award. This will inspire us ahead to conquer many more awards. And I'd like to tell you, this vision is of Mr. Girija Shankar Shetty. This is all because of him and Mr. Sangappa. Thanks to our architects, carpenters, laborers, and everyone who was involved in this, in constructing this structure. Thank you once again.
Congratulations, Shetty Cinemas. The next winner of the Best Cinema Theatre in Tier 2 city is located in the heart of Tanjavur, a city steeped in rich cultural heritage. This theatre features state-of-the-art digital projection and immersive surround sound systems, and it offers luxurious seating options, including recliners for enhanced comfort. Strategically situated in a central hub, making it a preferred destination for families and movie enthusiasts. Ladies and gentlemen, this is also the first multiplex in India to house 2 epic screens under one roof. Please put your hands together and join me in welcoming Vetri E Square, Tanjavur. May I please invite Ma Vetri Vale, Mani V Santavel from Vetri E Square, Tanjavur to receive this award. Congratulations, sir. may I please request you to take a moment to say a few words on winning this award?
Extremely thankful to Theatre World for giving us this award. We are extremely thankful to Cube, our architect, Hestia Design Studio, and most importantly, our visionary, Mr. Vetrivel, who's in the cinema industry for the past 50 years. And we wanted to create something very unique, and Epic was something which is top of the mind. So we created the first multiplex in the country with 2 Epic screens. We were initially very skeptical, but I think so this is the future. The PLF format is here to stay, and that will bring more audience to the theaters, back to the theaters, we feel. And that is happening in a theater very successfully. We are one of the top multiplexes in terms of revenue in Tamil Nadu since we launched. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to your entire team. With this, we move on to the next category in the IMAX Big Cine Awards 2025. The next award is the Best Single Screen Theatre of the Year. As you know, we have 2 winners in this category, and both are among the iconic cinema theatres in their respective cities. The first winner is a cinema surrounded by the bustling cityscapes of Kolkata. This cinema shows us the importance of staying rooted and growing with each generation. And with a focus on audience satisfaction and entertainment, this cinema cares about its technical and comforting advancements. Please put your hands together for Navina Cinema, Kolkata. I would like to invite Naveen Chokhani, proprietor, Navina Cinema, Kolkata, to receive this award. So I request you to take a moment to share your thoughts with us on winning this award today.
Firstly, thank you, Mr. Raghav. Really happy and honored that we are getting this award, and on behalf of every single screen in India, I'm receiving it, because I feel in this world of multiplexes, people are forgetting the single screen, and we are trying to keep it relevant by keeping ahead with the time. So I feel that single screen can survive provided they are keeping in with time and giving due importance to their audience. So if we take care of our audience, nobody can close on any single screen in India. Thank you.
Congratulations, Navina Cinemas. The next winner of the same category, Best Single Screen Theatre of the Year, is a landmark in the heart of Andhra Pradesh's Visakhapatnam. This cinema is one of the city's most iconic cinema halls. Named after the nearby Jagadamba Center, it has been a cultural hub and a beloved destination for moviegoers for decades. Known for its grand architecture and nostalgic charm, this theatre has stood the test of time, seamlessly blending heritage and evolving cinematic experience. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Jagadamba Theatre, Visakhapatnam. I would like to invite Jagdish Kumar and Vijayata from Jagadamba Theatre to join us on stage to receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, I request you to please share your thoughts on winning the prestigious IMAX Big Cine Award.
We opened our cinema in 1970 on October 25th, which is 55 years ago, and still we could get this award now. It's a matter of passion. We are 55 years old, and thank you. Thanks to my audience, and thanks to the technologies that we are always adopting to.
Thank you and congratulations, Jagdamba Theatre. Now, before I go on to announce the next award, I request all our award winners to please stay with us until the end of the award ceremony. This is a wonderful time and such a momentous occasion. We request everyone to stay back for a group photo opportunity. So please don't go anywhere, stay around in the hall. And now, without further ado, we move on to the next category of the IMAX Big Cine Awards, which is the most unique cinema chain of the year. One of South India's fastest growing multiplex chains, known for redefining the regional cinema experience, a strong reputation for customized cinema experiences tailored to local audience preferences, and also known for its strategic collaborations with leading malls, real estate developers, and popular celebrity faces like Mahesh Babu, Allu Arjun, and now Ravi Teja in the industry. The most unique cinema chain of the year award goes to Asian Cinemas. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Bharat Narang and Jayesh Narang of Asian Cinemas to receive this award. So I request you to please share your thoughts with us on winning this wonderful award.
Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you Raghav sir, thank you Preetham sir for this award, and I mean this is a really good award, I really liked it, and all thanks to the Asian team for supporting us and main divisions, my grandfather, my dad, my uncle, all thanks to them, and yeah, Asian, we got this, you know.
Congratulations. We're very happy, sir, that you liked the award, and we hope year on year you will join us on stage to take more of it home. Yeah, thank you. And now, without further ado, we move on to the next category, which is Best Technology Adopter of the Year. Now, this award goes to a prestigious multiplex that has set new standards in luxury and innovation. This architectural marvel houses 14 screens, including Surat's first ever IMAX. Designed for an unparalleled movie-watching experience, this cinema integrates cutting-edge technology, lavish interiors, and world-class amenities, making it a premier entertainment hub. Ladies and gentlemen, the Best Technology Adopter of the Year award goes to Rajan Cinemas, Rajan Prasia, Surat. I invite Kuldeep Singh Sisodia, Chief Operating Officer, Rajan Cinemas, to kindly join us on stage to receive the IMAX Big Cine Awards 2025. Congratulations, gentlemen, to you and your entire team that you are representing here today. Can you please share your thoughts on winning this prestigious award?
I promise I had nothing to do with this.
Thank you, Big Cine Expo, and thank you, jury. I would like to thank our chairman, Mr. Jay Desai, and our director, Yashvi Desai. And I would like to thank my entire team, my interior team, interior partners, all vendors for making this cinema wonderful. I just want to say we are you can say we are the fourth largest number chain of India, where we are running 120 screens. And you can say we are going to add further 100 screen in southern part of India in this year. So this is our motto, and we are giving best to our customer. So we will always say Rajans for everyone and with luxury experience. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Rajan Cinema. The next award is the IMAX Big Cine Award for Innovative Technology of the Year. The Best Customizable Cinema Enterprise System. This technology has all the solutions for your cinema problems, from box office solutions to APIs and custom integration, all for one thing, for a better theatrical experience. Ladies and gentlemen, the Innovative Technology of the Year award goes to Movie Clicks. I request Bonnie George K. Sani, Chief Operating Officer of Movie Clicks, to please join us on stage to receive the IMAX Big Cine Award 2025. So keeping up with time and being a trendsetter when it comes to innovation, you're here today winning the Innovative Technology of the Year award. Please share your thoughts with us on this.
It was almost like more than 10 years we are been in the industry. We were definitely having continuous talks with my multiplex clients and my single screen clients, what they actually required to reduce the cost of the manpower in the theater. So we customized all the ticketing API integrations. In some theaters, we integrated with their ERP system, so there is no another accounting guy for the solution. And now we are introducing a complete theater without a box office. It will be a complete self-ticketing system, and customers can order their food from their seat. Anything is possible with less labor power. That is what we are trying to achieve, and I think this shows up that we have something achieved till date. Thank you.
Congratulations, MobiClicks. The next award today is for the Emerging Cinema Chain of the Year. Founded by Bollywood star Ajay Devgan and producer Kumar Mangat Pathak, this chain is on a mission to revive the classic charm of cinema while offering a modern, luxurious experience. Since its inception in the year 2017, the brand has expanded to 17 locations with 47 screens, with ambitious plans to add 100 new screens in the pipeline. Ladies and gentlemen, the IMAX Big Cine Award for Emerging Cinema Chain of the Year goes to NY Cinemas. May I please invite on stage Mr. Satish Kottukota, Chief Executive Officer, NY Cinemas, and Santosh Shelar, BD and Projects Head, NY Cinemas, to receive this award. So congratulations to you and your entire team. We would like to take this moment to ask you to share a few words on winning the Emerging Cinema Chain of the Year awards.
So while there are a lot of other categories, we felt, we have done our best in making very unique in terms of the experience. Some of you guys, whenever you go to Delhi, Gurgaon, Ahmedabad, we have given best experience to our customers, and we are continuing to replicate the same in future screens as well, and probably one with you guys very soon. Looking forward for that. And the whole credit goes to the team who has put their passion rather than just working for the organization. So we felt we really deserved this award. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to your entire team. The next award today is for the Emerging Regional Cinema Chain of the Year. Started in the year 2002 in Tamil Nadu's Salem district, this cinema chain envisions movie-going as an immersive journey, not just entertainment. It features a carefully curated film section catering to diverse audience preferences, convenient concessions and refreshments designed for maximum guest comfort. They maintain a spotless, well-kept environment to elevate every cinema visit, and the chain houses 16 screens across 6 locations in Tamil Nadu. Ladies and gentlemen, the IMAX Big Cine Awards for Emerging Regional Cinema Chain of the Year goes to DNC Theatres. May I please invite Prem Ilangovan, Director, DNC Theatres, to receive this award. Sir, I request you to please share your thoughts on winning the prestigious IMAX Big Cine Awards today.
Thank you, IMAX and Big Cine Awards, for this recognition. It means a lot. And I would like to thank my dad and Managing Director of DNC Theatres, Mr. DNC Langovan, and my mom for their support in staying along with us from being a single screen to now currently operating 16 screens around the Salem region. So I would like to thank them. And I would also like to thank all the architects and the project team who helped us putting up this project and making it a big success. And this award goes to Team DNC Theatres, who are all the members of DNC Theatres who are constantly working towards giving the best experience to our customers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to the entire DNC team. Before I go on to announce the next award, once again I remind all our award winners to please remain with us until the end of the award ceremony for a group photo opportunity. And now, without further ado, the next award is for the fastest growing cinema chain of the year. Founded by Mr. Subhash Ghai, the legendary showman of Bollywood and acclaimed film director, this cinema chain is one of India's fastest growing, committed to making multiplex experiences widely accessible. They operate 57 screens across 19 cities in India with an international presence in the Kingdom of Bahrain. They're known for curated food and beverage menu, offering delightful culinary experiences alongside the movie watching experience. Please put your hands together for the fastest growing cinema chain of the year here at the IMAX Big Cine Awards 2025, Mukta A2 Cinemas. May I please invite Mr. Satvik Lele, Chief Operating Officer, Mukta A2 Cinemas, to join us on stage to receive this award. May I please request you to share your thoughts? We've seen you on this stage before as well. This is the eighth edition. So if you are taking home an award of an IMAX Big Cine Award year on year, this being our 8th edition, you said this is the 8th time. What does it take for this consistent success? Please share your thoughts with all our friends here today and inspire them.
Hello, everyone. I would say it's the vision and the mission of our chairman, Mr. Subhash Ghai, which keeps us going day on day, and we just work hard to ensure that we make it possible. Yeah. So I hope to see you guys next year again. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Absolutely, sir. Congratulations to you and your entire team. With this, we move on to our next award here at the IMAX Big Cine Awards 2025. This is a special recognition award. A leading regional cinema chain in Odisha, known for its focus on community entertainment. This particular cinema chain is committed to delivering a high-quality movie-going experience with a local flavor. They're known for screening balanced mix of Odia films, regional hits, and mainstream blockbusters. They're very popular for their welcoming atmosphere, affordable ticket pricing, and customer-friendly services. Ladies and gentlemen, the special recognition award goes to PJ Movies Odisha. May I please invite Payal S. Jaiswal, Managing Partner, PJ Movies, to receive this award. Congratulations, ma'am. May I please request you to say a few words on winning this special recognition here today?
I'm here only because of Raghav sir today. Thank you so much, Raghav sir. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations to your entire team, ma'am. And now with this, we move on to the next IMAX Big Cine Award, which is for the most trusted brand. One of the most trusted names in premium high-quality popcorn for cinemas, known for supplying gourmet popcorn kernels sourced from carefully selected farms. They offer a range of popcorn varieties with a focus on consistent taste, texture, and popping performance. Partners with leading cinema chains to deliver a superior packaging experience and snacking experience to moviegoers. One of my favorites as well. Ladies and gentlemen, the most trusted brand award goes to Preferred Popcorn. We have Norman Krug, Patabi Ramarao, and the entire team on stage and off stage. A huge round of applause for all of you, please. We have a huge team on stage, but I'm going to request one of you, sir, to please come forward. What is a movie experience without popcorn, right? And I, as a huge fan myself, would love to hear from you on what does it take to keep up this trust. You know, when we are giving you the award of the most trusted brand, you go a long way, and a lot goes behind winning this award and being the most trusted brand. So if you had to sum it up for us to inspire our friends here today.
First, thank you so much. It's such an honor to receive this award. So we're very happy, privileged, thankful for the opportunity. To answer your question, we were very fortunate in 2014 and 15 to get some great customers here in the cinema industry. and deliver high quality, high fiber, high protein, tasty, healthy popcorn that expands a lot. And that's the key. We're just grateful early on that we got to meet some good friends in Gourmet Popcornica that helped us grow and increase. And now we're very happy to share that we produce that popcorn, clean it, and process it right here in India. So just a few words from my friend Patabi from Gourmet Popcornica.
Dear Preetham, Raghav, we're very proud to accept this award. It's a very humbling moment because we are about 10 years old. Gentlemen and ladies of Popcornica, we dedicate this award to your effort and the support of every single client who has stood with us in 10 years. Thank you, one and all. We promise to continue to deliver the world's best popcorn, grown in India, for India, by Indians. Thank you.
Thank you, and congratulations to the entire team of Preferred Popcorn. And now it's time for the next award here at the IMAX Big Cine Awards 2025. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Most Impactful Brand Award. This award goes to one of India's rapidly expanding cinema chains, known for delivering a premium movie-going experience at value-driven prices. They operate a growing network of modern multiplexes across key cities and towns in India, known for affordable luxury, providing a multiplex ambience without premium pricing. Ladies and gentlemen, the Most Impactful Brand Award goes to Movie Max. May I please welcome Mr. Kunal Savne, Chief Operating Officer and BD Head, Movie Max, to kindly join us on stage to receive this award. Congratulations, sir, on adding another trophy, I must say, because you've done this before. You've been here before as well. But such a pleasure to have you here on the 8th edition. Take home this wonderful award of the Most Impactful Brand. Now, what does it take to make that impact? If you can very quickly, in a few words, tell us and inspire us here.
Thank you, Big Cine Expo and all the voters. This is actually what we aim for, to create impact. This, on behalf of entire Movie Max, we want to dedicate this to all our customers and all our partners. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir, to you and your team. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the final IMAX Big Cine Awards 2025. This is truly special because it is the Special Achievement Award. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our delight and our honor to honor a gentleman for his pioneering leadership in Tamil Nadu's cinema exhibition sector, championing the interests of theatre owners for over 4 decades. A visionary entrepreneur who's played a crucial role in the transformation of cinema exhibition in Tamil Nadu, instrumental in safeguarding the regional cinema ecosystem, balancing the growth of both single-screen theatres and multiplexes. He's recognized for his tireless advocacy during challenging times, including policy reforms, ticket pricing regulations, and theatre revival initiatives. A mentor, a guiding figure to many in the exhibition fraternity, he is known for his wisdom, accessibility, and commitment to nurturing the next generation of cinema entrepreneurs. A stalwart whose voice carries weight in industry circles, filmmaking, and governmental platforms, ensuring cinema exhibitors' concerns are always heard. This Special Achievement Award celebrates not just a career, but a lifetime of passion, perseverance, and purpose in cinema exhibition. For this moment, I request everyone to kindly rise. Right where you are seated, I request all of you, ladies and gentlemen, to please stand up and put your hands together and join me in welcoming on stage the recipient of the Special Achievement Award here at the IMAX Big Cine Awards 2025. Please put your hands together for Tirupur Subramanian. So what an inspiration you are to all of us here. And it is our honor to honor you here today on this platform, sir. And may I please request you to enlighten us, to delight us with a few words.
எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த சபையில் இந்த அவார்டை கொடுத்ததுக்காக பிக் சினி எக்ஸ்போக்கும் ஐமேக்ஸுக்கும் என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்களையும் பாராட்டலையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டேஜுக்கு வரும்போது தான் தெரியுது, எல்லாமே யங்ஸ்டர்ஸாக வந்து மிகப்பெரிய சாதனைகள்லாம் செஞ்சிட்ருக்கிறீங்க. உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். சினிமாவை பொறுத்தளவில் என்றைக்குமே அழியாது. அப்படிப்பட்ட சினிமா இன்றைக்கி லேட்டஸ்ட் டெக்னாலஜி எல்லாமே மாறி மாறி வந்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறத இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸ்போ மூலமாக தான் எல்லோரும் ஈஸியாக வந்து கேட்ச் பண்ண முடியுது. அதுக்கு ஏற்பாடு பண்ணி கொண்டிருக்கிற ராகவ் சாருடைய அவர் டீம் எல்லாருமே வந்துருந்துட்டு, ஏன்னா ஒரே இடத்துல ஒரு வருஷமும் நம்ம வந்து ஒன்றா கேதர் ஆகி நம்ம புது புது டெக்னாலஜிஸ், புது சிஸ்டம்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம வாங்குறதுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய சௌகரியமாக இருக்குது. அதே சமயத்தில் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு அவார்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் வச்சு அடுத்த ஜெனரேஷன் நீங்கள் வந்து ஊக்குவிக்கிறதுங்கிறது வந்து ரொம்ப பாராட்டத்தக்க விஷயம். இங்கே வந்திருக்கிற அடுத்த யங் ஜெனரேஷன் உங்கள் எல்லோருக்கும் என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த நல்வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். மிக்க நன்றி. வணக்கம்.
Roman Andresa, thank you. May I please request all the award winners of the IMAX Big Cine Awards 2025 to please bring your trophies and join us on stage for a group photo opportunity. Quickly, please, I request all our award winners. We will be glad to have 1 or 2 representatives from each award. Please bring your awards along with you. Hearty congratulations and a big thank you to our award winners of the IMAX Big Cine Awards 2025. Can we please have a huge round of applause for all of them? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause.